Dineo Ranaka welcomes baby number 3. Reality TV star and radio personality, Dineo Ranaka, recently welcomed a new addition to her family. Taking to Instagram, Dineo made the announcement by posting an image of her holding her baby. "And unto me, a child was born. Welcome to the family, little one," she wrote. Dineo's timeline and Instagram stories have been flooded with congratulatory messages from friends, families, and celebrities. Some were shocked by the news, saying that she hid her pregnancy well, because they did notice it before. Responding to Sidwell's comment in the post, the media personality said it had been a month and a half since her baby's arrival. "Little Newberry is a month and a half old now. She's growing every day," she wrote. The media personality said she was overwhelmed by joy since the arrival of her daughter. "Cry with me, Auntie B. It's a feeling so overpowering and so beautifully overwhelming that we can't help but be moved," she said, responding to Bassett Sanakumalow's heartwarming comment on the news. Although Dineo has not revealed the gender of the baby yet, the comment made by the photographer of the image, Sfundoma Josie, alluded that she had given birth to a baby girl. "She comes with absolute blessings. Congratulations, Mama," he wrote.